Hello and welcome to Christine's Creativity Cabinet, where items from Dollar Tree can be transformed into lovely little meaningful items for yourself. Today I will be showing you how to make this cute little trinket box out of items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get to making art. The first thing that I did was I traced around the lid of the tin onto a pretty paper napkin, which I also got from Dollar Tree. Then I cut out the circle. Then I gave the inside of the lid a coating of Mod Podge, and I placed the tissue paper circle upside down, face down, on top of the Mod Podge, and put another layer of Mod Podge on top of it. Then I colored the outside of the box and the outside rim of the lid of the box blue with a chisel point blue Sharpie pen. Next, I glued crushed stones around the edge of the lid using acrylic gel medium, extra heavy, as the glue. But if you don't have this, tacky glue would probably work just as well. Then I added some dots of glitter to the lid with tacky glue. The final step was cutting out a round piece of felt and gluing it into the inside of the box. Once that was done, my box was complete.